About village life 1.
Hi. Have you ever experienced village life?
Hi there. Yes, I grew up in a village.
That's interesting. What's it like living in a village?
Life in a village is quiet and close-knit. People know each other well.
Sounds peaceful. Are there many farms in your village?
Yes, farming is a common occupation, and we have beautiful fields.
Nature must be lovely there. Any favorite village traditions?
The village fairs and festivals are the best. Everyone participates.
I've heard village festivals can be lots of fun.
They are. The whole village comes together for them.
How about transportation in the village?
Most people use bicycles or walk. It's a small place.
That's eco-friendly. What do you like most about village life?
I love the sense of community and the simple, peaceful lifestyle.
It sounds wonderful. Thanks for sharing about village life.
You're welcome. It's a unique way of life.
About village life 2.
Hi. Have you ever lived in a village?
Hi there. No, I haven't, but I'm curious about it.
Villages are quite different from cities.
What's life like in a village compared to a city?
In a village, it's usually quieter, with fewer people and less traffic.
That sounds peaceful. What do people do for work in villages?
Many villagers work in farming or other rural occupations.
Farming must be hard work. Are there any fun activities in villages?
Villages often have community events, like fairs and local festivals.
Those sound like a good time. How do people get around in villages?
People often walk or use bicycles because the villages are smaller.
Walking and biking are healthy ways to travel. What do you like most about village life?
I appreciate the sense of community and the close relationships with neighbors.
That sounds really nice. Thanks for sharing about village life.
You're welcome. Village life has its own charm.
It's interesting to learn about different ways of living. At the office 1. Hello, how's your day going?
Hi. It's going well, thanks. How about yours?
Not too bad, just busy with some tasks.
I understand, work can get hectic.
Have you heard about the staff meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I received the email about it. What time is it?
It's at 2 p.m. in the conference room.
All right, I'll mark it on my calendar. Anything specific on the agenda?
They mentioned project updates and team goals.
Thanks for the heads up. I'll prepare a brief report.
Great, see you at the meeting then.
Absolutely, looking forward to it.
Have a productive day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the office 2.
Hi there, how's everything at work today?
Hello. It's going well, thanks. How about your day?
Not too bad, just catching up on some emails.
Emails can pile up, right? I'm doing the same.
By the way, have you heard about the team lunch next week?
Yes, I got the memo. Where are we going?
We're going to that new Italian place downtown.
Sounds delicious. I'm looking forward to it.
It should be a fun team outing. See you there.
Definitely. Count me in.
Have a productive day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At home 1.
Hi, how was your day today?
Hello. It was good, thanks. How about yours?
Not too bad, just a bit tired.
I understand, some days can be tiring.
What's for dinner tonight?
We're having spaghetti and meatballs.
Sounds delicious. Thanks for cooking.
You're welcome. Dinner will be ready soon.
Great, I'll set the table.
Thanks for your help.
No problem, happy to help.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. At home, too.
Hi, how was your day today?
Hello. It was good, thanks. How about yours?
It was fine, just a regular day.
Regular days can be nice sometimes.
What's on TV tonight?
We have a movie night planned, watching a comedy.
Sounds fun. What time does it start?
We're starting at 8 p.m. in the living room.
Perfect, I'll get some popcorn ready.
Thanks, that's a great idea.
No problem, I love movie nights.
Me too. Enjoy the movie.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
About asking for leave, 1.
Hi, I need to request some time off.
Hello. Of course, how long do you need?
I'd like to take 3 days off next week.
Alright, which dates are you thinking of?
I was thinking Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Got it, let me check the team's schedule.
Thank you. I hope it doesn't cause any inconvenience.
No worries, we'll manage. Enjoy your time off.
I appreciate your understanding. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great break. Goodbye. About asking for leave, 2.
Hi, I'd like to request some time off.
Hello. Of course, how many days do you need?
I need to take 2 days off next week.
Sure, which days are you planning to be off?
I'm thinking of taking Wednesday and Thursday off.
All right, let me check the company's leave calendar.
Thank you for your help. I hope it doesn't cause any issues.
It should be fine. I'll get back to you with confirmation.
I appreciate your assistance. Thanks.
You're welcome. We'll be in touch soon.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
You too. Goodbye.
About an achievement party.
Hi, I heard we're having an achievement party at the office.
Hello. Yes, that's right. We're celebrating our recent success.
That's exciting. When is the party scheduled?
It's happening next Friday after work hours.
Great. What can I bring to the party?
You can bring your enthusiasm and maybe some snacks if you'd like.
Enthusiasm, check. I'll bring some cookies.
Perfect. We'll have a good time celebrating together.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for organizing.
No problem, it's a team effort. See you at the party.
See you there. Have a fantastic day.
You too. Goodbye. About product marketing.
Hi, have you heard about the new product we're launching?
Hello. Yes, I've heard about it.
That's great. Do you know when it's happening?
It's scheduled for next month, right?
Yes, that's correct. We need to plan the marketing strategy.
What ideas do you have in mind?
I think we should use social media and email campaigns.
Those sound like effective ways to reach our customers.
Agreed. We'll also need eye-catching visuals.
Visuals can make a big impact. I'll work on that.
Thanks, and I'll handle the social media posts.
Sounds like a plan. Let's make it a successful launch.
Absolutely. Have a productive day.
You too. Goodbye. At a hotel, 1.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name John Smith.
Hello. Let me check your reservation.
Yes, that's right.
Great, I found your reservation. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go. Yes, that's correct.
Here's your room key. It's on the second floor, room number 210.
Thank you. What time is checkout tomorrow?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Got it. Where's the elevator?
The elevator is right over there.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. If you need anything, feel free to ask.
Will do. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At a hotel, 2. Hi, I have a reservation. My name is Sarah Davis.
Hello. Let me check your reservation.
Yes, that's right.
Perfect, I found your reservation. Could I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you, Ms. Davis. You have a one-night stay booked.
Yes, that's correct.
Here's your room key. It's on the third floor, room number 305.
Thank you so much. What time is checkout tomorrow?
Checkout is at 10 a.m.
Got it. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
Great, thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. About going to a party, 1.
Hi, are you going to the party tonight?
Hello. Yes, I am.
That's great. What time does it start?
The party starts at 7 p.m.
Perfect. What should I wear?
Casual clothes should be fine.
Got it. Will there be food?
Yes, there will be snacks and drinks.
Sounds good. Should I bring anything?
You can bring a friend if you'd like.
Thanks. I'll see you there.
Looking forward to it. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
About going to a party, 2. Hi, are you going to the party this weekend?
Hello. Yes, I am.
That's awesome. What time does it start?
The party starts at 8 p.m.
Do I need to dress up?
It's a casual party, so just wear something comfy.
Cool. Will there be music and dancing?
Yes, there will be music, and dancing is encouraged.
Sounds fun. Can I bring a friend?
Of course, bring a friend along. The more, the merrier.
Thanks for the info. See you there.
Looking forward to it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
About nightlife, 1. Hi, do you enjoy nightlife?
Hello? Yes, I do sometimes.
That's cool. What do you like to do at night?
I usually go to restaurants, watch movies, or hang out with friends.
Nice. Do you ever go dancing?
Occasionally, I go dancing with friends at clubs.
Sounds fun. Do you prefer city nightlife or a quiet night in?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I like the city, other times a quiet night at home.
I see. What's your favorite thing about nightlife?
I enjoy the energy and the chance to relax and have a good time.
That makes sense. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. What about you? Do you like nightlife?
Yes, I enjoy it too, especially trying new restaurants.
That's great. It's nice to explore and have fun.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful night.
You too. Goodbye.
About nightlife, 2.
Hi, do you like going out at night?
Hello. Yes, I enjoy it sometimes.
That's great. What kind of activities do you do at night?
I often go to restaurants, watch movies, or just relax.
Nice. Do you ever go to parties or clubs?
Occasionally, I go to parties with friends.
Sounds fun. Do you prefer a lively nightlife or a quiet night at home?
It varies. Sometimes I like a lively night, and other times, I prefer a cozy night in.
I understand. What's your favorite thing about nightlife?
I like the chance to unwind and have a good time.
That's a good way to look at it. Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. How about you? Do you enjoy nightlife?
Yes, I do. I like trying new restaurants and hanging out with friends.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. Have a fantastic evening.
You too. Goodbye.
About childhood 1. Hi, do you have fond memories of your childhood?
Hello. Yes, I have some nice memories.
That's lovely. What's one favorite childhood game you used to play?
I enjoyed playing tag with my friends.
Tag is fun. Did you have a favorite toy when you were a child?
Yes, I loved my teddy bear.
Teddy bears are comforting. Did you have any favorite childhood books?
I liked reading The Little Engine That Could.
A classic choice. Did you have any special childhood traditions or family outings?
We used to go on picnics in the park.
Picnics are wonderful. What's one thing you miss about being a child?
I miss the carefree days and not worrying about grown-up stuff.
I understand that feeling. Childhood memories are precious.
They sure are.
Thanks for sharing your memories. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
About childhood 2.
Hi, did you enjoy your childhood?
Hello. Yes, I had a good time during my childhood.
That's nice to hear. What's one favorite childhood game you used to play?
I loved playing hide and seek with my friends.
Hide and seek is a classic. Did you have a favorite toy when you were a child?
Yes, I had a favorite stuffed animal, a bunny.
Stuffed animals are adorable. Did you have any favorite childhood books?
I enjoyed reading Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss books are fun. Did you have any special family traditions when you were a child?
We used to bake cookies together on weekends.
Baking cookies sounds delicious. What's one thing you miss about being a child?
I miss the simplicity and not having too many responsibilities.
I can relate to that. Childhood memories are precious.
Indeed, they are.
Thanks for sharing your memories. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
If you want to understand native speakers' English, you must practice English conversations daily. You must practice daily English conversation regularly. This is just a part of a big series, so make sure to check back to see more.